Hello viewers and a very warm welcome. Thank you for joining us. It's the DM Keith Motor Group. We're having a rather fresh day over at Bradford today, but this has cheered me up a little bit. This beautiful Swift. It's a 2000, very late 21 registered SZL, and it's finished in burning red, and it's had the personalised stripe kit added to it. It's called a Twin Viper stripe, and it's beautiful. The colour's amazing. The sun's getting low now, but you can just make it out. Very, very nice thing. Very, very smart, and lovely alloy wheels on there, but the colour and the stripe kit is beautiful. It's like a matte black finish. It's a self-charging 1.2 hybrid, and it delivers typically about 57 to the gallon. But as you can see, these stripes are done by a professional company with a material that's UV stabilised. The SZL was one of my favourite cars ever to drive. It really, really was. I used to get typically 57 to the gallon out of it, a mixed bag of driving, and I never had a foot put wrong in all the vehicles I own. But really lovely thing. Well spec'd inside, and it's got some nice functionality on there. But yeah, look at these. These are really well done. Straight over the roof, not a peel, a blemish, a blister on any of them at all. So this is down at our Suzuki site on Canal Road. That is BD2. There will be images going up onto the internet in about the next 15 minutes. That will give you about 40 photographs of that, but very, very nice. It's been security marked, even the alloy wheels I've noticed, the windows and that, and inside, standard Suzuki, beautifully put together, very comfortable, excellent support and bolster on these seats, comfortable for hours and hours and hours in the vehicle. It's got a SD card nestled away in the head unit, so we've got navigation already provided for you. You could update it if you wanted, guys. I wouldn't bother. I'd use my Apple or smartphone, CarPlay, Android Auto, camera, great stuff, DAB radio for a much better choice of stations and news and sport and things like that. And then your connectivity, excellent connectivity down just beneath the heater and air conditioning controls. Because of the little dual beam support system on the front of the car, it can support what's known as adaptive cruise. And what you would do is you select cruise, when you're at the speed you want, press set, and that's it done. You can go faster, you can go slower, but what will happen is the car will sense if there's a vehicle in front of it and it's catching up, and then it will apply the brakes, or just hang back a bit off the gas and make sure that you're not going to sort of like get into its space, as it were. And you can set that according to your preferred sort of preferences. Auto headlights, they'll be coming in about 2 minutes, and yeah, really lovely thing. Beautiful colour, beautiful sort of like the striping, and as I say, it's very, very well done. And the car will of course come with a full year of Suzuki warranty and roadside assistance included. And now Suzukis are up to 10 years or 100,000 miles. You can effectively bring it back every 12 months, 12,000 miles for a service at ourselves, and we will activate you another year of warranty and roadside assistance. And so you could go like that until about October 2031. First to see, it'll probably buy it, you know. £99 refundable deposit will secure the vehicle to one side, put it there. You're not obliged to buy the vehicle, guys. It just means that you don't miss it. And I definitely say come and have a test drive. Bring your driving licence on the day. Just let us know when you would like to pop in. We'll have everything ready for you, warmed up and demisted, and off you go down the road. But we do look forward to hearing from you soon, and anything you need, get in touch. As always, weather's getting a bit colder, guys. Roads are getting a bit slippy. From the group, do take care, drive safely. We wish you all the best.